everyone, it's Michelle from A Noble Touch, and thank you for joining me today to make a quick, easy, rustic pumpkin. This is going to be using the Dollar Tree pumpkin frame. So it's just $1, and this is of course a 3D frame. So we're going to need one of those. We're going to need one garland of the rustic pipberry. This one has little country stars on it. This is just the cream pipberry with there's some antiquing on it. So just one of those. Some copper mesh tubing. I got this from Dollar Tree as well. Some jute rope. This is going to be for our stem. And then of course your zip ties and your glue sticks and glue gun. That's all you're going to need for this project. And of course some scissors. Also, I wanted to say I am doing this is a pumpkin collab that I'm doing with Julie's Wreath Boutique and This Southern Girl Can. And so I will have their pumpkin tutorials linked in the description box. So make sure to hop over there and check their videos out, and comment with a pumpkin emoji so they know that I sent you over there. And I hope you enjoy this. So it's, again, quick, simple, inexpensive, and it's going to look darn cute when we're all said and done. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to take the garland, and I'm going to bring and start it up in here, because we can incorporate this with the stem when it's all said and done. And we're just going to start zip tying around the frame. Okay, now the next step we have is to take our copper tubing, and we're just going to try to glue it along the frame here. So we're going to get some glue here at the bottom. Let's see how this holds. Careful you don't burn yourself. Alright, so we finished gluing the tubing on to the bars here. Like I said, this is just going to be a simple, easy, inexpensive pumpkin that you can hang on your door or wall. Now here with the stem, I ended up cutting off the portion that stuck over the stem. And I'm just going to take some wide jute rope. And you can use any color you want. This is just a natural. And what I'm going to do is start it off by tying it. Just kind of tying a knot. Like that. And then I'm just going to take, I've already cut some of this. I'm just going to wrap it a few times this way. And just tie this like that in the back. Oops, came undone on me. So tie it up to that extra piece. So I just kind of want it to sit up here. If you want, you can kind of hit some glue underneath here just to help hold that in place. You can just tuck that in. Then take your twine here, you can just glue a piece on. Don't burn yourself. And then we're going to wrap around the base and just work our way up. And make sure this looks how we want it here in the front. Getting glue on my fingers. And you can also hit some glue here and there, so when it wraps, it's holding in as well. And then come back down. So it looks like that. And then on the back here, you can bring it through one of these loops on the back. Trying to get it through here. And then what I'm just going to do is cut and glue. I have to cut this a little shorter. And just hold that down. And then of course, position your pip berries around so they flow. You can tuck them in and out. And you can just keep it simple like that. If you'd like to add some leaves up in here, you could do that as well, or any other bow or whatever else you'd like to do. So again, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial for a little rustic pumpkin. And make sure to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow Julie's Wreath Boutique and This Southern Girl Can on YouTube. I will be linking their videos in the descriptions, and make sure when you comment on their videos, if you comment, to leave a little pumpkin so they know you came from my video. So thank you and have a great day.